welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little shop with me to look for some fall decor for my apartment. I'm going to go to Kirklands, Homegoods, and maybe Target, and we'll just check out what kind of decor they have for the fall that I can decorate my apartment with. So come along with me if you want to see what I get.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Drip.
Hey guys, so I went to Kirklands. You've already seen that footage. They had a ton of cute things. I just bought a couple cute things that I'll show you here in a little bit. A pumpkin and a boo sign. I went to Homegoods. They had a ton of Halloween decorations, but seeing as I already bought those decorations at Kirklands, I didn't buy anything at Homegoods. They did have a lot of cute options though. A bunch of Thanksgiving, a bunch of Halloween, a bunch of fall in general. Now I'm off to Target. I'll check out the dollar spot section, see what kind of decorations they have, and then head over to Dollar Tree. There's actually a Dollar Tree over here by Target, so I'm going to see what kind of cheap decorations they have. So I'll take you with me.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Alright guys, so I'm back from shopping. Here's the stuff I bought. I got this vase with some marbles to put in the base, and then some fake flowers, all from the Dollar Tree. I did buy these to leave pieces here at the Target dollar spot section. They were actually $3 a piece, but everything from Dollar Tree was $1, so a cute little DIY vase for fall. Here I have a really adorable boo sign for Halloween. I got that at Kirklands. Then I got this pumpkin at the Target dollar spot and this pumpkin at Kirklands as well. So everything will be a cute addition to my apartment for fall. And then while I was at Dollar Tree, I also got these microfiber like cleaning cloths, also $1. Super useful for my upcoming clean with me's. So here's everything again, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more fall decor videos or any other videos in the future. Thanks guys.